Guys, welcome back to another video. Merry Christmas to everybody. Hopefully you guys are having a great time with the family. As you guys can see next to me, we're gonna do a quick unboxing. We're gonna step up our fishing game. Hopefully you guys are liking that content. And let's do the unboxing really quick. Let me show you what I got. Show them where we're at. We're at Lake Gregory, for those that don't know, in Crestline. And we're gonna bring to you more content, so make sure you guys like, comment, and subscribe. Let's get right into the unboxing. As you guys can see, I didn't even unbox it when it got delivered, and it's been sitting at the house for like a week maybe. So I'm gonna pull it out. Hopefully I can do that by myself, and then we're gonna set it on the floor and then just get to it. Stay tuned, guys. Christmas gift from Santa. So we're gonna try to bring it down. This shit weighs like 1,000 pounds.
One eternity later.
So we'll start from right here. We'll just start anywhere at this point. By the size of the kayak, can you guys guess which one I got? And I wanted to save it for you guys to see, so I know there's good thing today's closed, so there's not a lot of people just watching us because I feel a little embarrassed. But yeah, like, what do you bring? Like, why didn't he open it at his house? No, it's we're sharing this moment right here with you guys because I'm sure you guys want to see this and we want to show you guys. So we're almost there, and we'll do a quick walk around. Also stay tuned for more videos coming soon. Obviously it's now gonna be a lot of kayak content. Shush. Don't show them yet. Wow, bro, that's one layer to go.
How many layers?
I think it's 2 layers of plastic. They wrapped it pretty good. Where?
Like on the lake.
Like.
Yeah.
Huh? So yeah, like I was saying, stay tuned for more kayak content. For the next video or so, we got some upgrades on it. Right now we want to do the unboxing and show you as we go. I also, for this big ass kayak, I got some back support for the truck from Amazon. On the description below, I'll link the link, I guess.
Was it easy to assemble?
Super easy, and then it gives you a lot of support. I put the other 2 parts down there, so there's 2 pieces that stick up. But yeah, we're almost getting there.
Later.
If you guys can guess what it is, we're almost there, guys. It's a huge fucking kayak. That is like 5 layers of plastic. Holy brother. Hopefully it's a lot lighter without the plastic. So if you guys can guess, this is a Hobie Outback kayak, pedal kayak. So we're almost there, guys, with the unboxing. I'm gonna put it together and show you guys right now. Hopefully you guys do enjoy the fishing content as we enjoy making it for you guys. So make sure you guys smash the like button for me. This is my Christmas present. and I'm enjoying it so far, sharing it with you guys. I feel like those little kids opening up their gifts and Christmas Day.
Oh, look at this.
They included the life vest.
The Hobie Outback.
Yep. We'll show you guys all the upgrades and everything that we got for her on the next video, or we'll link it up right here. It should be up by now. But yeah, this is the unboxing again of my Hobie Outback. Charge. Alright, so that was the unboxing. I'm getting to where the part that I gotta assemble the seat. They did the package really good on here. And this is the, I'm not gonna open it because you guys know what it is, the paddle. I was just a little bit concerned about the seat, but check it out. Check out the kayaks, nice and sturdy, that's for sure. We were gonna both try to go in on one kayak. So if you guys want to see that video, comment down below if you want to see two people in one kayak. So we'll get back to you guys kind of putting it together, but if you want to give them a 360, or should we give them a 360 once it's all, I just want to put the seat and that's it, and that's pretty much it with the unboxing, but do them a little 360. If you guys like the kayak, make sure you give it a like on this video. Make sure to smash the like button for the kayak content. Alright guys, there we have it, the unboxing. We're just gonna do a quick walkthrough on the kayak. Again, this is the Hobie Outback. I don't know if it's the last year model or this year model, but here it is. You guys, I'm sure if you guys start clicking on this video, you guys know all the details on it. I really don't know, so I'm not gonna act like I know everything. I just wanted to show you guys the unboxing and give you guys a 360. I did have a little issues with the seat, but we got it to work. That's pretty much it. Stay tuned for more videos coming soon for the next year. And hopefully you guys have a Merry Christmas and a Happy New Year's. We'll see you guys in the next one. Peace.